for this item. The item number is KD275R. Look at it here. And you also have the design for the water dispenser. Let us open it. You can see the design for the hand is recessed and in the middle of it. Let us open. If you want the external handle, it also can be customized. We have 12 options for you. Look at here. This here is the water tank. You can pour the water into it. And the capacity is 2 liters for the max. After a short while, you can get a very cool water from the outside. It also has for 1, 2, 3 door racks to load like the eggs, some drinks, some milks, and the other things that you want to put at here. For the inside, it also has the control for the temperature. We have 7 options for you to control the temperature, and beside it for the LED light, so you can get a very brightness and get a very good view for the inside. For each corner, you can look at the food for a very good angle. And here have a food like the meat box to load for a fruit box or vegetable box. Load for some special food that you want to put at here. Look at the bottom side. It's for the freeze room. You can see they have 3 transparent boxes to make a large loading capacity for the food. And you'll see the structure for the door. So you can get a very amazing cooling capacity into it. And here you can see the door seal. It can be adjustable. If you use the refrigerator for many years and you want to change it, it can be optional. So it's very customer friendly.